the fuck? Well, I had it. I didn't even. I
5% knife. 5% knife.
5% knife.
5%. 100.
120. 120.
Oh,
No bullshit. No bullshit.
He's coming to school, buddy.
Yeah. 3v3 jackpot.
3v3. 3v3 trap.
God.
Okay.
Or just straight 3v3.
Okay.
If you don't want to do the little spinny thing, just straight 3v3.
What's the 3v?
No,
What's the
but
jackpot bit?
No.
Jackpot is
You won last time.
jackpot is the more you pull, the higher percent chance of winning.
Yeah,
But
bro,
Oh,
turn that
well-
shit on, bro.
Yeah, we need
Yeah,
that,
so
bro. We need
it
that.
just gives you a chance even if they lose, like even if you lose.
Yeah. Okay.
Sophia, like
One
little-
let's see what she looks
One
like.
little bit of one freebie real quick, just to calm the nerves.
I like
just to
it, I
calm
like
the
it, I like it.
nerves. Yeah. Okay.
Little
Okay.
0.2
Yeah. See,
coin,
we get a little
0.02
shitter coin right
We're
here.
kind of
real
fired
quick.
up right now. The inheritance is coming, dude. I feel it.
Boom.
Well-worn Vulcan.
Created.
The world
I
can
created
be
it,
yours.
boys.
Yes.
Let's
The
go.
world can be yours.
Karambit.
Come on.
Dude, I feel it. Something.
feel
It's
my
about to give
dick.
me. It's about to give.
Something somewhere. Okay. All right.
It could be the last one, bro. I don't care.
on.
Just let me win.
Come
Let me
on.
win.
Come on.
Ooh.
Shit.
There we go.
Yes.
There we go.
What is
No
happening?
fucking way, bro.
What the fuck?
Karambit. Oh.
Oh, so close.
Shit.
Fuck.
So you got that skin?
Well, not yet, bro.
Dude, what a
Not
fuck.
yet. We still gotta
That's
win.
Bullshit.
Still gotta win. Come on.
Yep. We ain't out of the woods yet, buddy. We ain't out of the woods yet. Got like 4 more cases. Oh, dude.
4 more cases.
Oh,
Yeah, bro.
dude. This is too many cases.
Give me another.
There's
Okay.
another one. There's 2.
Okay.
There's 2.
Okay.
That's
Okay,
the
but
worst.
hit it.
That's the 2 worst.
Yep,
Hey,
that's
yeah,
okay.
that's
That's
fine,
okay, though.
That's
That's
fine.
okay,
I'm
though.
still up.
That's
I'm
fine.
still up,
It's
right?
fine.
Yeah.
No,
I'm
yeah,
still
this is
good.
good.
yeah,
This is
yeah.
good. This is good.
The jackpot mode gives them
The
a
odds
chance
are in
to.
your
Give me that. Fuck.
Oh my
Remember,
god.
It was so
jackpot
close, bro.
mode-
It wanted
the
to.
jackpot mode gives them a chance too.
Yep, they
Yeah,
have a
okay,
chance
okay.
now, which is bad. But it's
Okay.
okay because you've got 60% of the board.
Yeah.
Give them one more.
Yeah. Give me that one.
Oh.
Give me that one. Okay.
Okay.
All right,
All right.
jackpot.
Come on.
Jackpot, baby.
You got
Jackpot, baby.
68% here. 68%.
Oh
Jackpot,
fuck!
baby.
What color do we need? Oh shit!
Mine.
You want-
Mine.
Oh,
What?
You guys need to listen to Jimmy.
oh my god, we got to go all in on fish.
You guys need to listen to me, man.
Okay,
We
so
got to go all in on fish.
The one.
All in on fish.
Oh shit.
No, where's
Oh,
it looking right
shit.
now? Where's it looking? Refresh.
Where's it looking? Yeah,
Refresh the page.
Refresh.
Oh shit.
What's happening?
What's
Oh,
happening?
green is coming. Green is coming. Some point.
Green is coming.
I can't tell you when.
Mm.
I can't tell you when.
Shit.
It
It
will
wasn't
hit
that
eventually.
time. It wasn't that time. It wasn't that time.
Eventually it will hit.
Oh, dude, look at the board. It's scattered, bro. You just gotta go all in, black or red, and just fucking let it ride, dude.
Oh god.
Yeah. I think.
Money makes no money. Scary money.
All in
makes
red?
no money.
Scary money. Thanks,
God.
money. Oh my fucking
163
god.
bucks on red.
You retarded. Red.
What?
He's rich.
Holy
Alright, we-
shit.
He's
Oh.
rich.
I told you
Alright.
the inheritance was coming.
300
All
coins
right.
worth of 5% knife.
Oh my
Alright,
god,
300
don't fucking do that.
how much?
300
How
coins.
much did you put in?
Holy
How
shit.
much did you put in initially?
100
chest is
coins,
fucking
70
beating right now.
bucks.
You don't want to pull your initial buy first, or like that?
Oh, God,
Bro,
Are you
that makes too much
Fuck,
sense, bro.
Are you
5%
actually
knife
gonna
is
do
doing
it? Oh my
such a
god, he's
random
actually gonna
cases.
do it.
5%
What?
knife is coming for you, bro.
Do I do it?
No, you should
No!
pull
That's on you,
70
bro.
bucks and take your
That's
cash
on
out,
you.
and
he
then
is
go
the
crazy with the
confident. Do not
rest,
do it.
bro.
But think
You
about it.
do it,
should.
right?
Think about it. That's 5%.
Save 70
right?
bucks.
5%. That's 30% every spin that somebody hits a knife. Out of 26 spins, bro, that's like statistically, that's fucking like 8 knives.
All right, do
Fucking
it. Be a full
spins,
degen,
bro.
bro. Go full
No,
degen.
listen, but you've been winning, bro. The house is coming for you. You're playing against the house, bro. But you can bet on the house.
You can bet on the house.
On the house.
What you mean butt out of the house?
You guys are
can
So
so
fucking
hit
bet
good.
done.
on
Hit done real
fire.
quick. Hit done.
Hit done?
Yeah, you see crazy mode up there?
Yeah.
Whoever pulls the least value wins in crazy mode. So you want the other people to pull more.
Flip a coin. No. Go to Google. Go to Google. Choose heads or tails. Which is gonna be which? What is house? What is house? Heads or tails?
I don't know.
Elon, you got to choose this.
Which one? Which one?
Choose
Which
heads
one's
or
house?
tails for me.
Which one's the house? Which
Which
one's
one's
the house?
Which one's house?
Yeah, wait. You choose. You tell us.
Okay. Fuck. Tells his house.
Okay,
Tails'
all right.
house,
Spin this bitch.
okay.
Spin this bitch.
Okay.
Heads.
Okay, so it's
Oh.
me. It's on me.
You're betting on
It's
you,
on
bro.
me.
You're betting on you.
I'm
You're
betting
betting
on
you.
me.
Don't bet on the house. Fuck the
Okay.
house.
3v3.
Fuck the house.
3v3.
Jackpot?
3v3.
Jackpot?
Oh, rip this
Jackpot
bitch.
gives them a chance.
Rip this
Jackpot.
gives them a chance.
Dang.
It gives them a chance if they pull.
Oh
Rip
shit!
it.
Just
Oh,
do it!
Oh, he did it, bro. Oh my
Mental
god.
disability.
Oh my god, he did it.
Dude, what were you thinking? What?
I
bro,
can't
you
believe
told me
he
what the
did it,
fucking.
bro.
Well, it's good when it's not funny. Oh,
There, see,
dang,
see?
dang. Oh, two though. Bigger on your side. Let's go.
Yeah.
Come on.
Bigger on my side. Come on.
Ram it.
No.
Oh no.
No.
Okay,
That's
we're
fine.
fine. We're
Okay,
fine.
we still got plenty of time. Plenty of time, bro. Plenty of time.
You have like 30 cases.
3,000 cases.
Another
lined up.
one? Okay.
At the same
okay.
time, he's carrying your fucking team on his back. He's Greg
That's
Jennings.
not bad. That's not bad.
You're
Yeah,
winning.
fucking
You're winning
Greg
right now. You're
Jennings
winning.
out here.
I'm winning.
Greg Jennings, he put the team on his
Come on.
back.
Oh fuck.
Oh shit, dude.
No, this is fucked up. This is really fucked up.
I told you he was bad, bro. You thought I was bad.
This is horrible.
Okay.
That's okay though. That's okay though.
We're still cooking.
We're doing fine.
need
We,
some
bro,
coins
how
on
many
the left
cases
side,
we got?
dude.
We got
Holy
so many
shit.
coins.
You
Cases.
need Greg Jennings
Eric's
to
like
pull.
running
You
out
need
of
Greg
breath
Jennings to
over there.
pull. You need Greg
Come on.
Jennings to pull.
Come on.
Come on.
That's fine, bro. That's fine. It'll even itself
Give
out.
me another one.
Oh,
Give me another one.
fuck.
We need it. We need it bad.
Back to back.
He's not even making his money back yet. We need something huge.
Not yet, yeah.
Come on.
Fuck.
You got like 10 cases left.
Yeah.
They're not
We
fighting
got
for it.
15.
Fight
Yep,
for it.
yep.
There you go. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Karambit.
Oh,
Karambit.
shit.
Karambit
Okay.
on the left. Karambit on the left.
Come on,
Karambit. Oh.
Okay.
Fuck.
Shadow
Butt
daggers.
plugs.
Okay.
That's fine.
Okay.
It's fine.
That's money in the pot. That's money in the pot.
No, we're
Fine.
looking good. The pot's looking big. Greg Jennings.
hit
Oh
another
no.
Oh, shit.
Oh no.
shit.
Oh
shit.
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 Oh, another
No.
stone.
Oh, fuck. You're
Okay.
fried.
No, he's not.
That's fine. That's
Not that
fine. We still got
time.
plenty of
Not that
time.
time.
Look, look.
He's only halfway through.
Oh,
That's not good.
No. That's not good
no,
at
that's
all.
really bad. That's really
Oh,
fucking
shit.
bad.
No, it's fine, dude. He's got fucking 10 cases left.
I've got time, bro. I've got time.
So when he pulls that fucking
Give
Karambit,
me.
oh
Fuck.
god.
No. Oh, they're getting them back to back now, bro.
Oh, shit. Maybe we should have bet
Oh.
on the fucking house.
Maybe should
The
have
house,
been on the
yeah.
house, bro.
The house, bro. Look, I'm the lowest guy. The house would have.
That means you're
Fuck
due.
you,
That means you're
Grok.
due. You
It
better
means you
hope
still got
fucking Greg
30%.
Jennings hits here.
Oh no.
No,
Shit.
bro.
Oh, no.
Oh my god,
Oh
dude.
no,
no.
bro.
This is bad.
Oh.
No, it's
Come
fine,
on,
bro.
come on,
You
come on.
got.
We
you
can
got
still.
A chance.
It can
You
still
got
clutch
time.
though. That's the thing. It can still clutch.
You
Still got
time, bro.
18%.
You
That's
got
why. How many
time.
cases are left? How many cases are left?
8.
Okay. Okay. As long as they stop fucking banging you, you
We
know.
need some on the
Yeah,
left, bro. We
Yeah,
need him
yeah.
bad.
Bro, give me one. Give me one. Holy
Okay,
shit.
okay. Nope, you got you, dude. You are not contributing at all to your team.
I'm not doing nothing. Bro, give. Yes,
Yeah, there we go.
yes.
There we go.
Karambit.
Oh my
Karambit.
god! Oh my god! Karambit! Big! Big! Oh,
That's
what
not-
is this?
okay.
that's-
11?
that's-
That looks
that's
good.
not
That looks
bad.
good.
That's not
Okay,
bad.
That's okay.
We can.
That's
We
more
gotta keep going
percentage.
though.
That's more
Yeah,
percentage.
we gotta
That's
keep
more
going.
percentage. You're
Go,
getting
go,
another
go.
coin.
Fuck.
Oh.
Fuck.
Oh my god, the pot's huge, dude.
Oh god.
Give it. Give me another one.
Oh, they hit another one, bro.
Oh no, they got another one.
Oh my fucking god. Dude, they are fucking banging the shit out of you right now.
Bro.
That's okay, bro. You still got like 35%. Even if
I got
nobody
3,
gets another one, you still got
14.
35%.
Come on.
Oh no.
Come on.
Oh no.
Come on. Oh, give me.
Go,
Yes.
there you go.
Yes.
Karambit,
Give me
You're
Karambit.
back. You're back.
Give me a
You're back.
Karambit. Give me a fucking Karambit right now.
Fuck the
Give me.
butt plugs.
Oh!
Maxman,
Oh
Maxman,
shit!
Maxman,
No
Maxman.
fucking way!
Oh, what the fuck just
Give me
happened?
another one! Give me another
What
one!
just
Give me
happened?
another one!
Another.
Maxman,
Oh,
Maxman.
what the fuck just happened? What the fuck?
Another one!
What the
One
fuck?
more! Our
Degenerates. Oh,
fuck!
oh
God.
shit.
Oh my god.
Oh, close
my
your
god.
eyes.
What the
jackpot,
fuck
Close
is
your
going
eyes.
on, bro?
Jackpot.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
He's
Oh!
rich.
It's you.
Oh!
It's you.
Oh!
He's rich.
What
Oh!
the fuck? Oh my
Oh!
god. 1,600.
Did I not tell you 5% knife?
What
Did
the
I
fuck
not
is
say it?
happening?
Did
What
I
the
not
fuck is
say it?
happening?
Did I
Oh
not
my
say
god.
it? Did I
Oh my
not?
god.
I will lead you to the promised land.
Oh
I will
shit.
take you there if you let
Dude,
me.
I'm sweating.
I
I'm
will
sweating.
take
All
you
in
there.
fish.
Where's
I will
the?
All
take
in
Where's my
fish.
game?
there.
Where's my game? Where's my fucking? Where is it?
See what skin it gave you. See what skin it
No,
gave you.
you're gonna coin flip. You're not gonna coin flip. You're not gonna coin flip. You're not gonna coin
Oh
flip.
my
What?
god.
Stop. Stop.
I got a
Whoa.
coin flip. I got a coin
No,
flip.
you don't have
I
to
got
do
a.
anything.
I got a. Where's my coin flip?
No. Do.
It's
fucking
gone.
Do it for
move.
this content. Do
Where's
it.
Where's the coin flip?
Oh,
Where's it at, bro?
oh, fuck.
Click on games.
His hands are
No,
shaking.
It's
in case
disappeared,
battles,
bro.
case
The
battles,
coin
case
flip's
battles, case
gone.
battles. It's in case battles. It's in
Is
case
it case
battles.
battles?
Click on case battles.
Oh, there it is.
Oh
There it is.
shit.
There it is.
No,
Oh,
hold up.
God.
Wait.
Think about it, dude.
Oh.
Think about it. Think about it. You're 2 coin flips from a dragon lore.
Oh shit. Oh my god. You gotta hit this motherfucking thing. Don't be a pussy.
You're like you're 2.5 coin flips from a dragon lore.
Nah, we're good. We're good.
We're
1600 is
about-
pretty good. 1600.
1600's fantastic, but you could go all in on roll.
Yeah.
Let me lead you to the promised
Yeah.
land, and I will fucking take you there every time.
Or buy fucking Wayner's knife and fucking flex on him in game. That would
What
be
game?
sick.
What
dude.
knife is it? What knife is it?
The
What knife is
Gamma
it?
Fuck
flip
you guys,
knife, the
dude.
flip knife Gamma Doppler 4, phase 4.
It was the phase 1, actually.
Is it phase 1?
Yeah, it was the like purple one. It's a flip knife.
Oh, it's a flip knife. I was
Yeah.
about
Here
to
you
say,
can
holy
you
shit.
can left.
Yeah.
Okay,
Damn
it
it.
wasn't phase 1. It wasn't phase 1.
It wasn't phase 1.
2 maybe 3.
That one's 1578 right there. You could just buy that one.
The green
no.
one.
It wasn't a
Oh,
gamma.
fuck.
It was just a Doppler. It was just a Doppler phase 1.
Oh, it was Gamma.
No, it wasn't. Yeah, it was that one. It was
Doppler?
the phase 2.
Was it phase 2?
Hold on, scroll down.
The
I
purple.
want to say it was phase 1. So just scroll down. Keep going. It was only like 1100 coins.
It's the blue one.
No. It was like the purple one. Yeah, right there, phase 1.
You could buy
Who's-
this, go all in with what you have left, and have more than you spent on this knife.
That's insane, bro. I just led you to the promised land and you're going to flex the knife that I lost.
No.
Scumbag, bro.
Nah. I'm not gonna do that, bro. I'm not gonna do
You're
that.
such a scumbag.
I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do
Fucking,
that. to
just
you, bro.
then let's go to Dragon Lore.
What's on Dragon, bro? It's no way I got a Dragon Lore.
You
No,
could get
I mean
one
we
in
got it.
2.5
Yeah, we're
coins.
close. We're close. Yeah, like
Oh,
two,
we gotta
like
get to
3
a Dragon
all-ins
Lore?
and we're at Dragon Lore City.
In two
dude.
and a
Do I
half
get to a
coins,
Dragon
you
Lore?
have a field tested
Listen,
dragon lore.
15. Let's say we're at 15. 15 into 3, 3 into 6, 6 into 12. Dragon Lore in your fucking inventory.
I can't argue with that fucking knowledge right there, bro. I really can't.
Dude, it's right there. Field tested dragon
It's-
lore, 14,000. You're
You've got
3
the
coin
difference.
flips away,
You've
bro.
got the difference.
3 coin flips.
You're 3
No, you
coin
got it.
flips.
No. You got to switch it up. You can't just coin flip 3 times in a row.
Right. You can't just switch to that's big things.
16 1%. 16 ones.
Yo, y'all ready to play?
Dude, you have
Yeah, let's do it.
quite
No.
literally the 2 best hype men here.
No, I'm not ready
No,
to play. Are you
in the
fucking
world.
kidding me? No, I'm sweating.
Yeah, no, no.
My palms
Oh,
are
yeah.
sweating.
Chunks and slime. You guys are some fucking degenerates. You know that?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Well,
Oh.
he might be Degenerates, but he could have a
Imagine.
dragon lore in his inventory if he wasn't being a pussy.
Hey, I love it, dude. I'm a fellow degen. Okay, I'm with you.
He could
You,
have
Okay,
a
what
you
you
dragon
doing?
lore.
are so
What's the
close.
play? What's the play? What's the play? What's the play?
10
What
minutes.
are we doing?
I got you this far, dude. I got you this far. You're on your own.
Yeah, I'm trust, bro. Trust. Let's
No,
go.
no, fucking roulette.
Oh God.
You know how many times I've sold my fucking Doppler and put it all in on roulette and came out on top 3 fucking times. It looks like a red, green's coming. Green is
Green
coming.
just hit.
Green, yeah, but there's one has hit in 100 spins. It's supposed to be 14. Green is coming.
It's supposed to be 14, really?
It's supposed to be, so what you see up there is the last 100. It's a 14
Yeah.
multiplier, so it's supposed to hit 14 times. We got to do something huge here.
Dude, if you hit green one time, you got a souvenir dragon lore.
What, Max?
You can't
Max
go
Green?
all in on
All
green.
in-
You
all
can't
in
go
green
all
Max
in
Green?
souvenir
You
dragon
can't
lore.
do that.
You can't do that.
I think fish
Why,
comes
kids, what are
again
you, a
though.
fucking
Fish,
pussy?
fish may come again. Fish might come again. Fish coming up school.
What did I
Fish
told you.
coming.
Holy
I
shit.
told you. I told you. You don't listen.
Sleeping.
You don't
We're
listen. I
sleeping.
caught
You
you
have
napping.
money in front of your face and you're fucking asleep at the
just
wheel
had a
making
dragon lore.
a
You just
decision.
lost a dragon lore. You just lost a
You
dragon
just
Just
lore.
lost a
no,
dragon
green's
lore.
coming back, dude. Fucking
Oh
all in
my
green. Just fucking
God.
bang this bitch right now.
No, it's not,
half
bro.
green, half fish. Half green, half fish. Your money
Holy
makes no
shit. Holy
sense.
shit.
Oh,
I would have lost
good.
it. I would have lost it.
Yep, you would have lost it all. You would have lost it
I would
all.
have lost it all right there.
You gotta
All right,
do
y'all ready to
something,
play?
bro. No.
Dude, you're sleeping at the wheel. Money is talking to you, and you're not
You have
responding.
$1,500. You're not
This is what
answering the
broke
phone.
people do.
You need to answer the fucking phone right now. You need
Red
to.
is on
You
a
need to
train.
withdraw something.
Red is on a train.
You need to
Jump on the
withdraw
red
something
train.
or keep going.
Red is on train. What are we doing? What are we doing? How much on red? How
Red
much on
train.
red, bro?
Fucking just do something crazy.
Just max red?
Oh fuck. Oh fuck.
Oh, max red.
Fucking God. What? You're retarded. No way. It's not hitting. You're fucked. You're fucked. You're fucked.
Oh!
What is happening? What? Oh my God! You're retarded! You are retarded! You are fucking actually retarded!
Two more.
What
Two
is
more. You have a dragon
happening?
lore.
Holy shit! What the fuck are you doing?
Okay. All right.
Bro, I
Now I need to
panicked, man.
I need
I
to step
panicked.
in. I need to step in, Eric. These degenerates
That's
have gotten you this far.
$2,400. It is
Slimes-
$2,400.
Slime and
Get
chunks
out.
have gotten you this far.
out,
Yes,
bro.
please. Thank you.
Get
that was-
out.
I was gonna
Please,
say
bro.
just like take a grand profit, okay, and then
Get out.
continue the
No,
degeneracy.
that was awesome. That was awesome.
That's what it's
Thank
all
you.
about, man.
Oh, I'm
That was a
sweating, dude.
I'm glad y'all
That
were
was
there with me,
unreal.
man.
Bro,
I'm
God, that was
sweating.
I love you
unreal.
guys. I
you
love
guys.
Oh God, I led you to the promised land. I'll take a.
Very
I'll
good,
take
very good.
a gut knife Doppler phase 1, please.
Yeah, don't.
I wish
give
I
him
could, bro.
anything.
I'm broke, bro. I'm broke.
That was
I
fucking
take
amazing.
commission.
I got
I
all
take
of that
commission.
live as well. I can make this. fucking
Oh
clip
wow,
real.
dude, no, I'm sweating.
Wow.
I'm sweating bad.
Wow,
Bro, that is.
That was
good.
no, that was awesome. That was good time.
I'm glad that
was good
happened.
time. I can't
Woo!
believe you went all in on red at the end. That was like maybe
was
the dumbest
crazy.
thing I've ever seen in my life.
It worked.
Bro, I do. Bro, should I go back for the one?
Yeah.
No. You gotta let the money sit. You've answered the phone.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
gotta,
yeah.
You got
They've
to
spoken
cash
yeah,
your
yeah.
out before you keep
That
gambling.
was
Buy shit
fucking
before you keep gambling.
Amazing.
I don't know. He's so close. It's right there. He can.
That's what I
it's
thought, and then it was
there.
gone. That's what I thought, and then it was
Okay,
gone.
okay, but you're addicted to a slot machine. He's addicted to what gambling should be. It's all in or nothing because you're either gonna lose it all gambling on slots for 15 hours and you're gonna feel like shit anyway, or you put it all in and you get a crazy fucking thrill.
That's how I gamble in real life, to be honest. I just can't help it. That's the way she goes, man.
God,
I've been
I'm
trying to
sweating
tell
my
Wayner,
fucking balls
bro,
off,
black
dude.
out at the bar on Puerto Rican hookers. You take a shot of tequila, chase it with pickle juice, black out, sell your knife, gamble it all, and hit. It's that easy.
Hey, Hey, Sites, look at their ranks, bro.
That's
You might not
actually
have
pretty
fun.
fucking badass.